We're going to do the integral, the antiderivative of this. I'm going to first rewrite it. This is minus 2x to the fifth. That didn't change anything. This is minus 5 times 1 over x. Just easier to look at it that way. You might wonder, why didn't you bring that x up, make x angle? Well, because I know 1 over x is natural log. So I just know it. Enough practice, you will too. Whereas this one, I'm going to bring it up, x to the minus 3. And this one, I'm going to root x. So I'm going to make that half power, right? Root is a half power. Okay, now I'm going to do the anti. That's what integral means, antiderivative. So minus 2x, we add 1 to that power, becomes 6, and then divide by it, like that. And the next part, the anti. And 1 over x, that's natural log of absolute value of x. Now, if you forget the absolute value and just make it regular, it's all right. I told it to give you credit, but technically it's absolute value of x. Remember the derivative of natural log goes back to 1 over x, and technically you need absolute value because only positive can be in there. Anyway, let's move on. The anti of this one, we're going to take this and we're going to add 1 to the power, make it minus 2, and then divide by that. And then the last part, the anti of that guy, I'm going to add 1 to the power. So that'll make it 3 halves, right? Because this is 1 half plus 2 halves is 3 halves. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply by 2/3. And that looks a little awkward. Let me just put it right here. Times 2/3. Why? Well, because that's multiplying by the upside down, which is the same as dividing, right? You're supposed to add 1 to the power, make it 3 halves, and then divide by 3 halves. But dividing by 3 halves is awkward. Instead, just multiply by the upside down 2/3. Remember, multiplying by the upside down is the same as dividing. That'll be easier. Now we can clean it up. This will be minus 1/3 x is 6. I just divided top and bottom by 2 there. Minus 5 natural log of absolute value of x. These two negatives cancel, plus 3 halves x to the minus 2. Plus, and what happens here? There's 5 over 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. X to the 3 halves. And so there we go. Minus 1/3 x to the 6. Minus 5 natural log absolute value. 3 halves x to the minus 2. Right? These all match up. And 10/3 x to the 3 halves. Well, there's no bounds on this, and this integral didn't have any numbers, lower bound, upper bound, so we don't have to do the brackets and put in the numbers. We're just done right here. They put the plus c in there for us already. And there we go.